Welcome to 546 Ashmont Street. It's set back from the road and up high, away from the hustle and the bustle. So you come in your front door, you have this wonderful little place to sit, take off your clothes, your boots, or maybe you can make this your kitchenette area. Dishwasher, garbage disposal, large cabinetry, lots of sun. It's northwest facing. New refrigerator, indoor grill and microwave. So this would be your master bedroom. It's quite roomy. And look, the washer and dryer is in the unit. And you also get a full bath off the master. So we come back out this way. And here's the guest bathroom and the bathroom for other members of the family. Just a linen closet. And here's a bedroom. Plenty of light. There's the really nice window shades. Plenty of sun. The bedroom's right across the hall. That's the smaller bedroom. Then you come back here. You can keep this locked, but this is a common area. People don't have to come through your unit to get to it. They would come through this door from the outside. They can come through here to be for this particular unit. Large tree canopy, very large. Keep it well shaded on this side of the house. And this is the mechanics of the house. So this is where your hot water heater is and the meters.